In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Fullcast view. The three components of saved views are metrics, data columns and filters, and role details. The first thing you need to do when customizing your view is to select the metrics that matter most. To do this, you will add metrics to the summary panel by clicking the plus chart button. Now that you have all your metrics set up, it's time for step 2, selecting your columns and data filters. To set this up, what you can do is use the column chooser, which is accessible using a button right above the data table. You can easily drag and drop columns into the table, and then drag them back to the column chooser box to remove them from the grid. You can also create data filters and save them to a view. To do this, you will either type a search term into the header row of a given column next to the magnifying glass icon, or by using the filter builder at the bottom of the data table to input filter criteria. Once you've gotten the data view set up the way you want, it's time for step 3, which is to add role assignments to the hierarchy panel. To do this, you will select Show Role Details. Then you input the roles that you want to be able to see. You can put multiple here, and the order that you put them in is the one that you will see first. If you want to have a view of current assignments, be sure to select Hide Inactive Assignments. To save your view, go to the Actions menu and select Change View. To save the current view, you will select the Save Floppy Disk icon, input a view name. You'll then be given the option to make this view accessible to others in your organization. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can customize a view so that you can view data in a way that lets you easily carry out specific actions. And remember that you can also save views for others to access as well, making it much easier to bring key stakeholders into the Fullcast platform. Thanks for watching!